Imagine keeping an eye on every vital detail of your gaming rig without cluttering your main screen. A tiny gadget can make that possible. Affordable, customizable, and surprisingly powerful. Meet the ultra-compact secondary display that's turning heads. Measuring just 1.9 by 2.9 inches, this little IPS panel plugs in via USB-C and instantly shows CPU and GPU usage, temperatures, and fan speeds, and more. All controlled through a simple, intuitive software app. The app offers multiple customization options. You can choose which system metrics to display, adjust colors, and even rotate the screen. Horizontal or vertical orientation? Both are possible. Desk-mounted or installed inside your PC case? Absolutely. Now, there are two types of secondary displays. HDMI or DisplayPort screens act like mini monitors. They can play videos or images, but take up a graphics output. Software-driven screens like this one focus purely on system monitoring. No extra ports, no extra clutter. Just real-time data where you want it. Despite its small size, the display is highly readable thanks to the 320 by 480 resolution IPS panel. Temperatures, CPU load, GPU performance, all updated in real time. And for under $15, it's an extremely cost-effective way to keep your rig in check. Setup is straightforward. Plug it in, install the app, and start customizing. The included stand is perfect for desktop use, but you can also integrate it directly into your PC case for a sleek, built-in look. It's versatile, lightweight, and doesn't hog any extra video outputs. For gamers, streamers, or tech enthusiasts, this small screen is a game changer. Monitoring performance has never been this accessible, visual, or affordable. And while returns might be tricky with direct imports, the low price makes it a risk worth taking. So, if you've ever wanted a smarter, cleaner way to track your PC's performance without cluttering your main monitor, this tiny, budget-friendly display could be exactly what you need. Compact, customizable, and powerful. Sometimes the smallest screens make the biggest difference. Check the link in the description to see it in action and level up your setup today.